Testing. There we go. Audio check. Music check. Twitch. Is Twitch up and going? Let's see here. Starting now. There's a display. Yes, good. Everything is back and into order. Let's see. Discord. Resuming the stream for probably another 3 hours. For approx 3 hours more. So now we'll be eating dinner or something. Resuming the stream. Link there and there. Let's see here. Where is it? There we go. Here and there. Okay, I believe I should be up on YouTube now. I should be on Twitch. Everything should be functional now. I hope. Just double checking. I know I'm on Twitch right now, so everything's good there on that front. However, it does not appear that YouTube is functional, is it? Hello, YouTube. Yeah, no, it says I streamed 30 minutes ago there. So I'm gonna make sure I can get that I'm burning here. Now the stream is going on Twitch here. Let's see if I can get Livestream. Restream.io. Is that up and running? Okay, I gotta log in here. Give me a second. If it allows me to. Let's allow. Let's see. Okay, apparently I'm still connecting to YouTube here. It says it's working. It's working. Connecting to YouTube anytime now. Should I have to rename something? I might have to do that. Let's see here. No, that's not what I want. Maybe I change the title a little bit. A little bit here. I guess it's part 2 or something, I don't know. It's just to update text to see if it actually recognizes. Okay, dashboard connecting. I'm online. Yes, I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitch. And if you want to communicate, go to Twitch. Chicken niggas. Yes. 48. That's yeah. It's now. Yeah. I'm online now. Good. Let's see here. Let's go back to business. What were I doing? I'm jumping. That's what I want. The chicken is moving a bit too fast, but I'll figure that later. First thing, I need jump. I need a jump. So let's use the bowling here. If I'm pressing jump, then jumping is true. If I'm not pressing it, or rather, if I'm releasing the jump button, then wait. Variable jump height. Yes, I'm gonna have a variable jump height, meaning the longer I hold down, the further up I will jump. And that's also a lot of people asked me to make a tutorial about. And I believe I did include that in either rigid body or kinematic body player controller tutorial. But I will revisit that at some point. I have it written down in my to-do list. Okay, jumping. Let's see. Angle. The angle to the center of the planet. I just wanted a comment about it because it was kind of lonely up there without any comment to keep it warm. Let's see, rotation, debug. What's this? Oh yeah, that's for the text. Actually, I would like to take a look and see. Nah, it wouldn't be fun. Let's see here. Okay, directional force set to 0. Set force to 0. Directional force. Force to 0. Because movement. That's the reason. Because movement. Okay, apply movement. So if we left, we don't move right, we do that, and so on. So we want a up force. We want a up force. The question is, do I want to use the same amount as we use for the directional force horizontally? I don't know. I'm gonna try it and see what we get, what we can do. So if jumping is true, so left or right doesn't matter. So I'm just checking if I'm jumping. But I will need a timer, otherwise I'm gonna jump forever and ever and ever. But we'll take it when we get there. So directional force. So I'm not gonna add in the X direction, but I'm gonna add in the up, which is negative Y. Because if you think about it, let's see, camera. There, that's the axis. That way is X positive, down is Y positive. Well, it's not like in the math classes where it's like this, where the Y is up and X is that way. You know, it's positive up and so on. So you know, something to keep in mind. Wow, I must say, you guys came back really fast. I noticed there's some streamers here in the LudumDare that have like 200 viewers. It's crazy. But I have to check out them later. Let's see what they're up to. I mean, it has to be doing something amazing. Something amazing. Something that's gonna blow my mind. I mean, I'll do it later. Focus. Okay, jumping. Do it. So let's see what happens. I just want to see what happens now. I'm just gonna fly now. Woo! Taking off! Rockets. Yeah, no. Okay, if I press a little bit, it's still gonna go way too much. Tap! Okay, so what's going on here? It does not appear to be resetting this. Why? Force upwards might be too much actually. So I'm gonna add this in a different place here. So let's create a new variable. Jumping force. By default just 0, 0. No force whatsoever. Well, I guess I could just have a value. Maybe. We'll see. So jump force, we add this. We get the direction. So plus this times a nothing yet. I'm gonna try it out, see what happens first. This is a group, and then we add this. Let's see what happens. Okay, nothing. Force 0, 0. Let me apply a yeah. Let's see if I add the speed again. That should have the same result as just adding it directly. Jump directional force. What? Huh. Why is that? Hold on, what's different? There's no difference. Unless I'm doing something silly here and I'm just not seeing it. Plus 0 basically. So I'm not jumping, this is gonna be a plus 0, which will meaning there won't be any differences. So I'll wait. Did I press the wrong button? Wait, I just jumping. It acts as if I'm... Look at this, I'm just moving... Okay, left and right. I press jump once, and now I'm flying. And I move left and right. So only when I move left and right now. Let's see. Why is that? Why is that? It's up, rotation, at angle. When jumping is true, it should be false when I release the jump button. And nice... I found... No, I'm not using Godot 3.0. 3.0 is not ready for use. I'm using Godot 2.1.3... 2.1.3, yeah. That's what I'm using right now for this. If I were to use 3.0, I would never finish. I wouldn't get done. Because it's very buggy. What? Released. Okay, that's what's wrong. There, now it should work. Okay, so it works, except I'm not moving up. I have to move. I'm holding space, I'm moving left to right, and then I move up for some reason. So let's see, why is that? Because the jumping force is way too little, maybe? Maybe. No, that's not right. Why don't you jump? Because directional force is 0. Okay. Should I make an all? No. I have to use directional force somehow. Okay, I know what to do. I know what to do. I'm gonna keep using that. Get rid of that, plus that. So applying there. So now I apply in the y-axis. So in here, I'm not gonna do it like so. I'm gonna do vector 2. I'm gonna get the x. I'm gonna get the jumping force. No, that's wrong. 0. Yeah, 0. Times speed. That's the horizontal vector we're not adding. Then we're gonna add the jumping force y, or rather a vector 2, 0 and the x, and jumping force y multiplied by speed. So now I have two. I can change this basically to adjust for the jumping height. Oh yeah. It is currently 4 p.m. here, or 1600 hours here. As I know you're saying morning, so I assume you live on the other side of the planet somewhere. Let's just speed. I'm just make sure this works first here. Let's see. Oh. Jumping force. Where? Where is jumping force? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's directional force Y, not the jumping force. There we go. Just making sure it works when I press up. And it is. Okay, now it works. Good. The thing is, I'm still kind of slowly falling down when I move horizontally. You know. Or is that normal speed? Yeah, no, it's not normal speed. I gotta adjust that. First thing first, I gotta make sure I can't just fly. Dallas, Texas. 9 a.m. Yeah. So does that mean it's... So this is day 2 for you, no? Ah. Let's see here. Jumping. Okay, I need to give a timer here. How long will we be able to jump? So var our jump time. Jump time? Yeah, jump time. Max jump time. So let's use 0.1 second. So this is a constant, basically. Max jump time. And the jump time. Let's see here. Jump if jumping is true, and my jump time has I guess I can use exceeded. Max jumping and jump time is greater than max jump time. Max jump time is 0. Let's use 2 seconds. Of course, well, it has to be the other way. It has to be the other way around. So I will add the jump time inside. Because while I'm holding it down, I'm gonna increase this. So until this exceeds that, it may sound weird. So if this now exceeded this, which means it's bigger than that, this will no longer work. Increment, and start until we reach the max. Then it means you cannot add any force. However, let's try 0.5 for now. Okay, it's too much. It's still too much. 0.1. Too much. Or rather, it's not working. It's yeah, it's not working. Hold on. I need to make sure we have to count down until I can do it again. So it's gonna... this won't do anything, because then it's gonna be immediately less, and this will be true again. So I need to create... I have to think about this. Thinking about... you know, that's the thing about programming. You have to think! Hey. Excuse me. How did I do? I've done this, but what did I do? That's the thing about this. Jumping. You increment jump time with delta, but just never clamp it so it won't exceed a certain value. If I'm not jumping, or jump time. I'm gonna think about this here. Let's make it a bit bigger and longer so I can actually see it. Oh my god. Where is it? There it is. Let's try a simplify. Okay, in the air. Okay, that's what I need. I need a ground checker. Let's create an area 2D. This will be the ground checker. Oh jeez. Here I'm gonna create a collision shape 2D. I'm gonna create a little circle thing. This is a no when I'm on the ground. This is just an easy way to. It's an easy way to check this. Although the collision box is a bit too big and weird. I'm gonna replace that. Channel collision polygon, I think would be the appropriate one in our case here. This will not be a collision, it will be a trigger. So make sure to enable triggering here, because you're gonna get triggered. Let's draw something here. Snap and grid. Let's reduce the size of the grid a little bit, so we can be more precise with our clicks. Yeah, it's fine. Now this had to be a little more precise than you would think, because we want to get hit at some point. Wow. Let's see here, the beak. Yeah, that's perfect actually. Let's see here. There, there, and there we go. Ah, perfect. There. What else? Yeah, there. Just have to be all the way back there. There. Perfect. So now I have a polygon for our little chicken here. Shape. And again, I should actually add some feet. Let me add a few dots here. How did I do that? Yeah, did I do that? I'm gonna put it down there, I guess. Let's see, it's like... yeah, that works. I mean, you're never gonna hit there, usually. That should be fine. It's a bit hacky, but I think it works. I think it should work fine, yeah. Let's see. Let's see, yeah, it works fine. And in case you're wondering why the feet, it seems like the feet are through the planet, but it's just the planet's collision shape that's actually a little inside, so it looks kind of on it instead of just being on the edges of it. It's kind of, ooh. Hey, I can fly, almost. Well, I can jump up to 5 seconds. So what I need to do is I need to use the ground checker to know after I left it, because after I left it, I will not be in it. I will make sure you cannot jump until you have reached the ground again. So the ground checker is going to use a body. What's the planet? Is that study body? Yeah, study body. So I'll be using a body for that. So a body enter. On a trigger. Oh. There. Connect. Body get groups. If group has a solid, which I'll add later, then the grounded equals true. So let's create one of those for body exit. Same thing, connect. Copy, paste, and there it will be false. So when I leave a body that has a group solid, it means I'm no longer grounded. So let's take a look here. Yes, fine. Let's make sure to add the group solid to the planet. Groups and a solid. Let's see here. I actually won't be able to see anything. I have to create a variable too. Variable. By default, actually, yeah, by default I'll set it false until you start the game. So you can't jump as you start the game until you're on the ground. What else? Was there something else? I think like there's something else I forgot there. Yeah, I gotta create the jump thing. Jump. There. So if I can jump when I'm grounded, and jumping is true, also meaning you press the jumping button, and jump time is less than max jump time, so you can jump and you can hold down jump. Actually, that wouldn't work that way. Oh, damn. Hold on, let me think. How will I do that? Because I can't hold it in now. It's jumping. That's whether or not I press the button. Maybe that's the flaw in this. I might even need a third boolean. If I'm grounded. Wait. If I'm not grounded. No, that wouldn't be right either. That would be absolutely not right there. Ah, damn it. I gotta think about this. Maybe the trick is not here, but in the input here. So I'm pressing jump and the jump is true, but if I am not, no, rather if I'm grounded, I will be able to do this. I will be able to press it once. Here we go. I think I solved it. Because if I release it now, jump will be false, and then we'll check next time I press jump. Am I grounded? Nope. Well, I won't do that. I won't enable it again until you're grounded. So this might work. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't seem. Yeah, it doesn't seem to. Yeah, it won't allow me to jump again after. Until I landed. So now we got a variable jump height thing going on there. Although it's very floaty, and I can't jump here because I need to add the solid group to this box. So if I'm grounded, I can jump. Of course, I'm jumping way too high now. Way too high, yeah. Okay, so let's fix that. Let's reduce the max jump time. Let's try 0.2 and see if that's better. Probably not much better. Well, you know, it's fine, I guess. But horizontal is way too fast. Look at this, way too fast. Gotta fix that. Speed. Let's try 50. Thing is, when I jump, I actually move faster in the air because of the friction. So it would be kind of advantageous to jump. Of course, I don't jump far. Actually, I jump way too low now. Why is that? Because I'm using the same speed for jumping. Jumping. Speed. Yeah, no, I don't want that one. So I'm gonna create the speed. Jump speed. Oh, jeez. Let's see, what else do we need? We need a const jump speed, which will be 150 for now. The speed of the jump of the. Let's see here. Yeah, because if I jump as I go in the angle, because I keep the directional force, that angle apparently. So what I have to do is I have to I'm basically shooting myself out of orbit, or around in orbit almost. The speed, so we don't want any speed to exceed a certain value, because we are going around in circles. It's going to be really hard to control max and minimum values. How will I do that? If our final velocity x exceeds a certain value, which will be var generic speed control value, which is very long. So let's try I don't know, 200. Let's see. Actually, what I'm doing, I can just clamp it. That'll be easier. Final velocity x is equal to clamp. Then we add the value. Make sure it doesn't become lower than negative generic speed control value, or exceed the positive speed control value, which is very generic at the moment. Let's do the same for y. Away with that, with y. Y, okay, let's see what happens there. It might be slow. Yeah, no, we don't want that. That is not what we want. Is it too high? Is it because of this? So if I'm not moving, or rather when I am moving, I'm setting this. When I'm not moving, of course nothing's happening here. But yeah, I'm moving to speed, so let's try 22. Okay, that's a little less. Let's try 50. Oh jeez. Let's go back to what we had here. Oh, okay. You know what? I think I see what's going on here. I'm already adding it down here. Let's try this. Let's try 200 again. Let's try it once more. Okay. And the floating thing you saw that was me jumping. So when I move and jump, it kind of goes. Okay, apparently it's not doing a good job keeping the. Yeah, because when I jump and move, it kind of goes in slow motion here. On some parts. Yeah, like there. It's completely random, because I think it might be easier to just rotate the planet and screw, you know, forget gravity, forget all the math involved, just rotate the planet. Keep myself on top. I think that would be easier. No, it won't be easier, because I need enemies, I need to add them. And they also need their own thing. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can find some resources for this problem here. Okay, let's see. Actually, Unity and probably have some solution for this. So let's see. Unity, planet, gravity, movement, script, code. I don't know. Let's see. How to program gravity planets. Simple planet orbiting. Gravity movement. YouTube channels and such. Get the coordinates, yeah, done that. Shouldn't be hard. You gotta send it. Fall down to the center wall, done that. Or simply having attracted to, yeah, done. Car doesn't go through, yeah, collision. You can't use rigid bodies. Well, this is Unity, you know, Unity. They're limited. Let's see here, what have you done? Rigid body gravity, hold on. Oh yeah, when I think about it, I'm not actually using rigid body gravity now. I'm using this one, because I'm using override for the gravitational pull here. I'm overriding and replacing it with what I have. That's the entire gravity, it's come from this little circle here. So, how will I... Linear damp? Let's try angular damp, let's see if that does anything. Well, it's moving weird. Huh. I got a solid here. 1, 1, let's try it again. Okie dokie. Let's see here. Okay, I gotta find some solution for this somewhere. Let's see what other solution do we have here. Yeah, no, the problem isn't the gravity. The problem is handling movement with gravity around it. I mean, so right is always the. I mean that's. I mean I guess I handled that well. What I didn't handle is the mixing of forces with all the angles and things. Okay. Forgive me. Okay, I'm going back to the drawing board. I'm gonna figure this out. Let's see. Let's go to the player. Gravity is okay. That's done. What's not okay is the way I apply values. The direction of right and left is correct. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create some debugging here. Debug things that will draw them for me. So how will I do that? I'm going to create a... damn it. The microphone is in the way everywhere. Let's see, there. That should be better. Func draw. Okay. I'm gonna draw something. I'm gonna draw. There we go. So, how will I do this? All I have to do is if... Actually, I don't have to do this here. I need to draw a line from my own. So let's first get start line will be my own position, my own center basically. And from that, I want to get the left and right relative direction. So direction is done in the angle, right here. So using the angle variable, I'm gonna get that outside here, like so. Put it there. Move the empty space here. So I'm always updating the angle. So I'm set rotation, I'm getting the angle. Wait, I'm setting my own rotation. I'm gonna just use my rotation. Can't I? Oh no. So right, left, this is left. So draw left line, left directional line. So this will be our left end line 1, I guess, or end line. I'm gonna do this for all the directions, or rather for both left and right. Start line is gonna be the same. This end line is gonna change. So in that case, left line, right line. Yeah, should be right. So because angle is updating all the time, so that should be fine. What I need now is a length. So I'll multiply with a 10 should be enough. Multiplied with length. That gives the line, the vector, its length. I'm multiplying the vector with length. Okay, let's try it. So draw a line. Let's try it again. Draw a line from vector. Actually, no, just start line. Left line. Color. The color will be red. And then we have width. So let's try 5. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure. I'm gonna pay attention to chat, just in case someone were to ask something or say something or post nudity, and I will have to remove that. And you know, draw a line. This is the second one. Okay, copy that. Paste that. Let's make that green. So right line. Okay, so now I have to update this. So if debugging is true, so if this is true, hold on. Actually, I'm gonna copy this. I need to run this outside this. Angle. Yeah, here we go. Update. So this will just redraw everything all the time. Actually, do I have? Oh, jeez. What? Is this what's been going on? It is. The left and right have not been correct. This explains why when I... Well, I guess not. Okay, let's see what's going on. Let's find out. Yeah, I have to update the lines because those changes. So the length is way too low. Let's try 2. Why is it... How long is this line? It's pretty damn long. Huh. Am I using get global position, perhaps? Yeah, I think that would be correct. Oh wait, I see this wrong. Start line is me. That is me. It will be where I am. Me. So left line will be that direction times length. So it will be me again, and you add... Wait, this is position. Yeah, me plus line. So if I'm at 10, 10, and line is -1, it will be -1, 10. Minus 9, 10. Okay, so it doesn't matter. I mean, position is the same regardless of my rotation. Rotation does not matter. However, the direction of the left or right line matters. So assuming he's standing upright now, the left one, which I believe is red, yeah, left line should go this way. So what I'm getting here, I'm getting the direction which is -1 and up and x 0. So I should be going this way. However, now I only have -1 and 0. What I should get is 10 plus the line. So it will be -1.0, which is, well, 9.10, and this is 9.10, so it should be right. There's nothing wrong with the math. See here, you have my own position, and then you add the difference in distance. So left line, this should be right. Let's see. Get that this drawing is not globally, it's only here, it's only the player. So 0, 0 is the player. So that's what I did wrong here. In which case I only have to use right line and left line, and this is just 0, 0. Yeah, I believe that should be right. Let's reduce the line thickness a little bit, but it's still in the wrong direction here. Or is it? Let's see. Okay, it rotates. This rotates slowly, but it rotates too fast and too much. So that makes me believe that the angle is not correct. And that explains a lot why it seems like it randomly kind of flies up. Like here. Now we're going up, kind of. It doesn't make sense, because now it's not going up. You know? And why does it go down here? What's down here? Length? Oh, I see. The length is insane. Let's try 20. But even 20 shouldn't be that far. Let's try 1. Yeah, something is not right. Let's see here. Wait a moment. Rotated angle. Does that return a vector? It does, right? Odd. Yeah, it's between 0 and 1. Or -1, I guess, now, and +1. So, very odd. Wait. Wait a moment. Hold on. This only runs once. And the reason this keeps running is because this is always null, because I'm not setting this. No, okay, no, never mind, I'm dumb. It runs after I set this, okay. So this runs all the time, okay. So let me try something out there. Let's go to 0. And now the degree is about 0. Here. And this is basically on top of the entire thing. So let's go to the scene here again. There we go. So the chicken, let's move it on top here. Let's rotate it back to kinda ish 0. Now it should be close to 0 or 1, 2, or 3 or something. And it is. So we know the angle is correct because I also rotate correctly. However, when I add the lines, something goes wrong. So let's Is the music looping? Yes, looping now. Let's put on some NCS. Let's see, not that one. Not that one. I've heard that too many times now. That's the downside of Livestream. You keep looping royalty-free tracks sometimes. Let's try a melodic dubstep. What is that? Melodic dubstep. Melodic dubstep. Yeah. Delicious. Okay. Back to business. Wait. Am I... Hold on. No. That couldn't be it, could it? Let's take away rotation here. Do the lines rotate with me? The lines rotate with me. No wonder all this is wrong. Which means... if I then apply a force left and right, would it be accurate? I will be so happy if that is the case. I don't think it is the case, but if it is, I will be happy. Very, very happy. Let's try 100. Where's the red line? There it is. Okay, so now the red line is that long. However, this is the end, I believe. Yeah, get position is down there for some reason. So, why? Why is it down there? Let's see. Oh, sorry, I forgot to hit here. Why is my own position in space, or, you know, somewhere crazy far away here? I'm so confused. Why is my 0, down here, or somewhere, you know, far away? I gotta find out what this is all about here. There's so many unforeseen circumstances going on here, so let me print my position. Oh. Okay, I know why. Because I'm dumb. That's wrong. That's wrong. Because when I get position, I don't get this 0, position. I get this positions relative to its parent. So what I'm getting all the time is I'm getting the position to this player in this space, so relative to main, which is 0. Meaning this is 500 or 600 or something. 500, 600. You know, it has its own long location, which is far away. However, this draw method is only relative, which means getting position will be completely wrong. It will start into space far away. So I will manually have to add this position to be the center of this node, because this node itself is the center. So now it should actually work just fine. And also, apparently, I won't have to do any rotational math, because vector right in x direction is always relative to my own node, which is great, which means I don't have to do the math there. I can just remove all the rotational math. I'm just a little sad that I wasted so long to figure that one out. But I've learned, and that's why I do game jams, to learn, to challenge myself, to get pissed off sometimes, but that's good sometimes. So let me now go back to the player here, fix the camera, back to 1, make sure everything's good again. Yeah, okay, these are just debug limits. I'm gonna turn that off when something happens. Let's see. Scripting. Amen, yeah. Draw line. Okay, debugs. That's fine. This is fine. This is wrong. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we have the debug line so I can show me the directions. I don't need it now because I know how it works, so I can just remove this! Remove that! It's crazy. It's nuts. It's insane. I'm hoping. There we go! We almost got it! Except now the jumping is in the wrong direction. So I'm wrong again! Oh. Yeah, I'm wrong. Here is up. Let's move around and see what happens. So left and right appears to be right. Now it crashed. No, it doesn't. Okay, I'm wrong. Left and right is not accurate. Now I'm pressing left. So it is relative to the angle. I don't know anything anymore. What if I add the player inside another parent and rotate the parent instead? Will that make the player always well, undo. I need this, apparently. Apparently, I need this. I'm gonna print this now so I can actually kinda calculate this. Move left plus string. I guess I should just add this actually. Copy, and we paste it underneath. Copy and paste it in here. Let's see what's happening now. Yeah, now the direction changes. Like the direction I'm going changes a bit. Let's go to 0, 0. So then it should be closer to 1. Left and right. Yeah. Yeah, now it's closer to 1 on the X values. When I go around here, it changes, keep changing. But then I fly for some reason. Here. The force is greater than gravity? The gravity is huge. Distance. Let's see what that does. Why? Why am I floating? Huh. Why am I jumping so high right there? This is the most unpredictable project I've ever worked on in my entire life. I don't know what's going on. Linear 4 maybe. Here, why did I just suddenly decide to whoop right there, right there, right here? Why there? Why there? Not here. Why not here? Oh, the angle is incorrect. And up we go. And here. Let's fly. Here we fly. We're flying here. Why there? Why here? The angle must be wrong. Now the X is... Okay, now we're going in the Y, because we are 70, 270. That should be directly on this... downwards. So 90 degrees difference. So now I'm moving in the Y directions. When I jump, I actually jump in the X directions. Yeah, but it's so unpredictable. Maybe I should just go back to kinematic body, the old-fashioned way. But that will give me a lot of trouble with getting stuck. I think maybe. Bounce, gravity scale, friction. Let's reduce the friction to 0. I just want to see what happens now. I'm just sliding now. That is as expected. There. Okay, I'm just applying this wrong, probably. Okay, let's go here. The way I'm handling directional force is wrong. It has to be wrong. I'm going to remove jumping now from this game. I mean, not from the game, but for now. This is going away. Let's see. This is the force I'm going to apply. Here, I just decided to walk up because I'm not getting I must find a way to basically allow the gravity and movement to go at once together when they are in different directions. I need to think of this. Think about this. Give me a second here. Okay. Let's see. We have here. So the problem is, what is the problem? I need to find a way to... But that wouldn't be right at all, would it? Remove this for now. See what happens. Nothing. There's no difference. Okay, good. But even though I'm slow, and I know the gravity is big, I'm gonna keep floating because while I move, I'm setting it, but I'm not getting any existing ones. So I need to linear interpolation, maybe. Let's see. Planet, gravity, apply, jumping forces. When I Google it, majority of people seem to be asking how to apply gravity, and that's the easiest part. Okay, close that. Gotta think. Yeah, I know about the no distraction mode. It's just I haven't used it in a long time. I've forgotten about it, but I knew about it. I did use it once or twice, but then I just stopped because I didn't need it to. I should make a live stream overlay when I'm thinking, basically when I'm doing nothing. Maybe that works. Maybe this works. Maybe I'll try that one. So I guess it will be from my current get But this is a it's not right. Oh, okay, now I see. Okay, I'm using it wrong here. It would be velocity. No, it's the other way around actually. I need to store this. Current velocity equals get line velocity. Using this. Linear interpolate. This one. I'm gonna change the order though. Velocity by how much? Is this the direction? Or is this the new position? I'm probably using this very wrong. I haven't used it much. I still have yet to understand or fully understand how this is how this works. Like in action, in real life. So I understand from a mathematical point of view. It's at this much. Between this. Okay, so that's the destination. It will slowly move towards it per tick. So move towards what? I don't want it to move. I just want to. Should I just use add force? Oh shit! Oh boy. Would that be easiest? Would that be easiest? Maybe. Fractional force. Would that be enough? Or speed? Maybe. Let's see here. That would be a more appropriate way. Can you stop? Take off! Okay, bye-bye! No. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so it moves at least. Let's try times 10. Yeah, smaller screens, definitely. Yeah, no, add force is not the solution. It's not. You would think it would be as easy as just getting our current line velocity. You would think. Because then you will get any current velocity, so if you're going down, you'll keep that down velocity. So, yeah. You would think. Let's see here. What? X direction. Oh yeah, I see what's wrong. This wouldn't work. With X direction, it's not right. Let's see what happens now. Okay, speed is too fast. Way too fast. Let's try 10. Too low. Doesn't seem to be any in between. It's either way too fast or way too slow. Look at this. Let's try 30. Okay, still too fast. It's just gonna. But the thing is, yeah, I'm gonna make a maximum speed thing here. Let's try 20. Too low. Try 25. Yeah, I'm gonna make a max speed thing. I need to get the current speed so I know how fast I'm going, so I know what to set it to. Print, get line velocity. Oof, let's see. So it's about here. Stop it. Okay, about 200. Let's say this one. This is the difficult part. Wait. Hold on. Vector 2. Distance. You won't be right. Oh yeah, this is definitely right, and this is X. X. And the same with Y. And now we're gonna try this. Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never Okay, it's definitely better now. It's definitely better. It's not great. Because still when I walk, if I jump and move, it's gonna kind of float down. Yeah. Moving left or right makes it very difficult. It's almost like it doesn't change, update direction fast enough. Let's see. Did not disable jumping? I guess it didn't. Yeah, no. I'm using the same thing here. I guess I can do this here. Yeah, I'm just jumping upwards now, and I'm kind of moving. Even though in theory I should be moving exactly up, but no, I'm jumping around. Let's see if I can go to 0, 0. Let's see what happens. Or rather, degree 0. Okay, no, I'm moving right, definitely right. I'm just gonna jump for a little while and see where it gets me. Okay, apparently it stops at 45 degrees. So if I go here, will it go to the right? Yeah. It wants to go towards 45 degrees, it seems. And why? I have no idea. So let's see. Let's go to the right. Let's go back to 0. So it wants to go. Here is where it wants to be. So what if I go the other side? Let's see. What the hell? Oh, I couldn't get over the 270, I think. No, not 270. Yeah. Yeah, here the direction in jumping is significant. It stops here. Oh no. Yeah, it should be here. 315, that's where it wants to be probably. Let's see. If I go to here, it should want to go to 3. Yeah! It wants to go 45 to the right or 45 to the left for some reason. Why? I don't know. So let's see here. Rotation. So 45. You want to go there. That's where you want to jump. You want to jump at that angle. Exactly that angle for some reason. Or towards it. Or in the other way, in negative 45 degrees. So like this or that. I don't know why. Can I let's create a rigid body. No. Kinematic. Kinematic? Yeah, kinematic. I'm just gonna create a bullet thing. So I can take a look and see. Now that with particles. So I can see it where it goes. Explosiveness. I want explosiveness down to... No, actually no. Explosiveness 1 is fine. It's a spread I want to 180. There we go. I want to increase the size a little bit. Size. Where's size? There. Okay. Okay, save. Entities. Bullets, I guess, for now. Test, yeah. I think it there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the player shoot bullets in the direction of whatever direction I'm expecting me to jump. Just so I can see it. That should hopefully be right. Because that's the thing I'm very, very curious about. I wish I could get relative direction. Just set like relative directions.
Like you were already mine. Surreal to me how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time.
Let's see, direct force. So this, I'm gonna override this. Let's see what happens now. I shouldn't be able to move now. Yeah, I can move. Yeah, I cannot move, even whenever I click, because I turned it off. Good. So now I'm gonna create a test equal bullet instance. Add child. Add test as child. Should be in 0 now, relative to myself. So I'm gonna fire it away. Shoot or set linear move. Test dot shoot. In here I'm gonna add the direction and everything. That'll be our final velocity, right? Yeah, that one. Shoot there. Go that way. That much so far and so on. So go back to the bullet. Good script. Actually, so let's assume this is constant. And then processing, then we have fixed plus delta, and here I'm gonna move. So move velocity. Let's see what happens. I don't know. It's gonna fly in space probably very fast. Let's see. I just need to know direction. Why? I mean, I obviously added it. Oh wait, I probably have to add it in the main as well. This is not. It's not one thing we could do currently in the build I'm using now. Yeah, it does not update automatically. So let's just sync scene changes and script changes. So let's see, player. I have selected this one. Let's see what happens. Player. Yeah, I have to select it here too. Actually, no, there. Now it should work. Okay, it's the right direction! Yay! So this is my debugging tools to find out which direction it's supposed to go. However, I'm trying to jump now. And you know what? It doesn't seem like jumping is going anywhere. Huh. Weird. Right and left seems to be somewhat accurate. So let me move the player around here. There. Let's see. Left and right is correct. So now it's confirmed it's correct. Because I'm using the velocity, the same velocity I used to move for these bullets when I send them away. Just... oh wait. Crap. I'm using it as my own children. I can't do that. I have to make sure they are somewhere else. So let me get my own parent. Yeah, get parent should be enough. Now, let's try it again. It's gone! I gotta set the position too, actually. Where I wanted to start from. So the position I wanted to be is my own position in the world. So get position. So let's see what happens now. Okay, now it's right. And now I am not the parent, so it should move in that direction regardless of what the hell I'm doing. But jumping does not seem to do anything, so let's see why. Because when I jump... no wait. Yeah, it should do. That's weird. Does this not work? Yeah, it should work. Yeah, it should work, right? No, wait. What's 0, 0? Something is 0, 0. Oh, it's just this. Okay. That doesn't matter. Actually, I want that one. Let's see if I can move at the same time, see what happens here. Oh, but it does move really, really fast. It moves way too fast. Yeah, right. I gotta make them destroy themselves when they leave, because
It's hard to keep smiling when I try to set things straight.
exit report.
You don't even listen.
Just destroy yourself. A suicide. Just do it. When the little rectangle is... yeah, this is fine. Okay, so you see this? I'm slightly moving, and it seems to be... some of them seem to be going in random direction. I'm not gonna say what it... what have I made? What is this? What monster? Let's see. Okay, it went up there. It's like bird poo. Okay, let's have it less random. Let's just create a sprite actually, so I can see it more clearly. Hold. That's fine. That one. That's fine. That's good enough. Let's shoot some of those. Yeah. Yeah, direction seems fine. Well, actually, hold on. It's very crude. Yeah, the direction seems very crude. You know what I mean? It seems very crude. Yeah, why is it like that? Is it because it's the area 2D that And that explains why I fly sometimes. Let's see. Okay, that was a big one. Let's see if it's constant. Yeah, it's constant. It's absolutely constant. The difference is in the same spots. So the flaw might not be in what I'm doing, but the area 2D. It doesn't seem to the gravity point. It doesn't seem to be that good. Let's reduce the gravity a little bit. See if that changes anything. Okay, no, that's a bit too little. Yeah, it's a bit too little. Let's try 98 there. That's the default gravity settings. Yeah, it's still very crude. Like now I'm pressing right. It should be directly right, but it seems like the gravity point is kind of all over the place. Which is very weird because I'm still inside this trigger. Let's make it twice. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Let's make it the entire space here. Yeah, why is the right up there now? It should never ever be up there. It should always be in the center. And that's the thing that screws the entire thing up. It might be the... Oh my god, it's even worse than before. Why is my right suddenly down there? It should never be down there. Do I have to make my own thing? I can't use this because it's bad. Bad? Zero damp. Maybe that's the one. Maybe that has something to do with it, actually. Oh, what was that? Oh yeah, because I'm adding the gravity when I fall. So let me ignore gravity for a little while. Let me completely ignore gravity. Let's go to the player. Let's see. This part. That is one that adds gravity and such. I'm gonna remove that. Just make sure it doesn't exceed the value. Now it should be... Wow. Okay, now it's absolutely right. Now I'm not moving at all. So let's increase the speed by 100. See what happens here. Yeah, the right and left is absolutely and utterly wrong. Yeah, right and left doesn't... There it changed! You see how crude this is? I have to create my own gravitational pull. I cannot use Area 2D. Yeah, that's what's wrong. It's like it's a square. Oh my god, is that the thing? I think I remember someone mentioning about that. Or I recall a vague memory about reading something about this issue. That it's not towards center, it's like a square. Once you leave the side or something, it kind of goes, and this makes it very visible. So I'm going to go get to Area 2D again. I'm gonna try some ludicrous high number here. 10. Ludicrous. Okay, so that doesn't change anything. Yeah, you see this? It's the same. It doesn't work. So this does not work, and that is sad. Because now I have to find another way to do this. Okay, well, let's get rid of this trigger here. I don't need this. It's useless. It's dead to me. What if I combine and replace? Replace, combine. I just want to see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yeah, no, it doesn't change anything. Combine, replace. Yeah, it doesn't change anything. Okay, so that's what's wrong. Huh. Even with the gravity point off, this happens. Now, this is a gravity vector, right? But with gravity point on, it should be on that point, which is positioned. Yeah, it's around like a square almost. So I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna redo this. I have a lot of work remaining. A lot of work remains. I'm surprised to learn about this. that area 2D is not up to the task. So, how will I do this? Well, I'm gonna use the same method as before. I'm gonna send it that coordinate to the center of the little ball there. And then I'm going to create a gravity vector. I'm going to do the job area 2D did. I'm gonna close this a bit. I'm gonna think a little bit. Okay. I have the point. I have the coordinate to that. So even without the gravity override, that means all of this is now in effect rigid body. So maybe maybe I should turn off rigid body or and not use that gravity scale. Okay, I remember earlier I found something about a global gravity thing. Let's see here. Override global, no. Set global gravity vector. Let's see, we go there. Here we go, here's an example. I just hope I can override it at runtime. Gravity point is null. Okay, get the angle to the center. Okay, good. Get the degree, which is, this is correct. This is great. Then you rotate. However, I need a vector from this. So when angle is 0, I should get down. So how will I do this? What do I think? This is the center. This is me. Me. Gravity should go towards the center, which is now on radian 0. That wow, it's too thick. Oh. Here we go. On radian equals 0. The gravity vector should be 0 1. Because positive is downwards and y axis in here. However, if I rotate, I need the vector from here from start to C. So I need vector. Start C vector. Let's see here. Now there were a lot of properties with vector 2 I might be able to use here. So I have the angle, so I need to insert the angle. It should be rotated. Rotated. That's it. That's all. That's all. Okay, that makes it easier. Use that. Set gravity. Right here. Update. Apply gravity. The gravity vector equals the gravity vector equals the default direction, which is vector 2, 0, 1, and then rotated, and then angle. Yay! Now we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Yes. It's amazing how long I spent to solve the simple things. You would think like simple things. That's what I spent 4 hours.
Now it's
You
just
know.
like, man, you gotta have that time where you just like disconnect
Okay, it's the music that's talking.
from the scene. Just
Let's
the
go to another
race.
track.
And
Let's change this track a little bit. Let's see what we have here. Let's try a different playlist I haven't tried before. I've tried that. What's hardstyle? Let's try hardstyle, whatever that is.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Not really.
Are you scared?
Yeah, sometimes.
I can
Let's see. Move left. Move right. Move left. Do this. Do that. Turn off that. Let's apply gravity. Where do we do that? We do it here. Actually, final velocity. We add it here. Plus gravity times a gravity force. Force, yeah. Because the vector is only the. Actually, hold on. Let me apply that up here. Gravity, gravity, gravity. There we go. Multiply by gravity force, which is a constant. So let's create that. 98. Probably way too much than needed. Let's see. Did I create a var inside there? I did. Let's not do that. Let's take that out. Right. Gravity. Vector equals. I'll just add 0, 0 here. Just not to break something in case this were to run before this is made. Okay, I think we're good. Let's try it. I don't think the gravity is going in the right direction.
I'm coming closer.
Yeah. It's not. This does not do. Or does it?
The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
What is this? I wanna print this. Oh, Jesus Christ. Anike, new follower! Yay! Welcome to the family! I'm slowly converting people to become Godot engineers. Become a follower of Godot.
Are you scared?
Gravity. Vector.
I am you.
This is really weird music, but I kinda like it. Okay, it kinda changes. Kinda. Yeah, you see the gravity changing. And I keep rotating, but I don't know where I am, so I'm gonna click the player, so the camera, and I'm going to make sure to zoom far out. Very far out. I can't. Yeah, this is pretty far out. Let's see what's happening here. I'm kind of just leaving. I'm just, you know, goodbye world, goodbye. See you later. Yeah, I'm taking off. I'm not returning, am I? I'm not returning. Okay, so there's some math error here, or yeah. So let's see here. What happened here? What was the first line of code there? Negative in X direction for some reason. What? Why? How can you wait. I don't know. The angle is correct. I mean, we are already printing this. We can see that it's correct. So at 0 degrees, we are standing on top, which means we have rotated 0 degrees. So you have to think. A Unity convert. Welcome. -1 is the key. Yeah, but I was thinking so too. But Y is positive Y is down. Let's try it. Just to, you know. Maybe I remember it wrong. Yeah, no. Nothing changed except the X value is now positive. I'm still leaving the planet. So let's see here. Because X positive direction is, let's see, where am I? Where's the camera? That direction, that positive X direction. Positive Y direction is down. Not up. You would think it's up. But in Godot it's down. So, yeah, positive Y. I'm rotating. Maybe it's negative. Actually, it might be negative direction. Oh, it might be negative. Maybe. Let's see. Why do you go the same direction? Okay, is there anything else beside it that's applying here? Action of force. Okay, let me... There might be something wrong with this here. Let's see here. Print. Well, this is never gonna be zero now. Let me set velocity velocity here. Let's add the gravity vector in there. Let's forget about this for now. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so apparently it was right without negative angle here. So let's see here. Now I should go down. I'm down now. I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground. Good. Let's zoom in so I can see what's going on there. Camera. 3, 2, 3. 3 is fine. No, it's fine. I mean, I was thinking too. Like intuitively, I think y positive is up because it makes sense that you move y up. And in Godot, 2D Godot, I don't know about 3D. You might be right in 3D though. It might be positive y, which makes sense. But in 2D, it's like, well, I can't see. It's like this. Ah, okay, screw that. You know what I mean. This way. Actually, here we go. Here is right. Oh, Jesus. Okay, the gravity scale is weird. Yeah, jump up. Okay, now I can see. If you're wondering about the Godot icon, it's because I'm testing out the. Okay, why won't it? I don't understand. The gravity is still weird. Can I not be more precise than this? Can I not? Does it not want it to allow me to? Do I need to multiply this by, say, 100? Hold on. Where did I set the gravity? Didn't I do it? No, I didn't. No, I'm setting the vector. I'm creating a gravity vector. That's what I'm doing. Okay. But it doesn't seem like it won't allow me to smoothly transition. What? I mean... Wait. Yeah, when I move, we do this. But I need to get velocity too. And the velocity I'm getting should be this one. Yeah, there are definitely flaws with this logic. Flaws everywhere. And now right is there. It's like there's a corner, you know? Oh well. What do I get? I get rotation. I'm getting the radian. And the radian is correct. So R is okay. Oh wait, that's not radian. Radian is just angle. Which goes towards the right. So 45 degrees. What's that radian? Pi divided by 2. Radian. And it will be from here to here. About here, you know. This will be. This is the value I'm getting. This is the radian, which is pi divided by 2, and that's what I'm using to change the gravity. Which is the gravity vector. I mean, this is 0, positive, negative 1 actually. And this is 0, 1. So this is different. What is it? I don't know. Yeah, I need to convert the pi to a vector, and I've done that. There's a function that I don't know what the math is. I can probably figure it out, but I can't think of it on top of my head. Let's see. So I have a vector, or do I? Let me confirm that it's all good there. This is the weird part. This is the part I don't understand. The way it behaves. And then it keeps the same direction. It doesn't move. Even if I move, change the angle. And you can see the angle is updating, but it isn't. So this is okay. This is okay. Gravity vector is changing. So is there something wrong with rotated? Could that be the... what's wrong? No, wait. Yeah, remove gravity force. Remove it so I can see what's going on there. Okay, now it's... negative. Almost 1 in X direction. Why is it in X direction? Where am I positioned right now? Okay, that's correct. Let's move it back up here. Now it should be almost 0 degrees. Well, 2 degrees. Actually, I'm wondering if what's wrong is my horizontal things, not the gravity itself. Let's see. Let me remove all horizontal movement altogether. I'm gonna completely remove it. So here I'm updating gravity vectors. I'm just gonna do this, do this. Nah, I'm doing the hard way here. Hold on. Comment. Control K, by the way, if you're a Godot user and want to know how to comment all lines at once, just press Control and then K. Very fast way to do multi-line without having to do the weird colon things that may or may not work. Okay, so now I'm setting... let's increase the speed that I'm falling. Gravity force. Okay, I'm falling down here, that's good. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off friction. Then I'm going to zoom in. Okay, I'm falling down, I'm moving a little bit. I can't move even if I were to try that. So, let me now move this one. Well, I guess I can move the planet, so let's move the planet then. Yeah, moving down. So what are you telling me? What was wrong? Hold on. It just occurred to me what was wrong here. Maybe. This is what's wrong. The clamping is the clamping. Of course, it's a square. No wonder it's a square. I need a short break. I'll be back in 5 minutes. 5 min. Let's see if this works. There we go. Angrily break. 5 minutes. 5 minutes of angrily. Okay, let's see if we can get something going again. But now we know where the mistake is. And that will save us a lot of trouble. A lot. And that explains why it's a square, which means the planet thing may have worked and I just ruined it. But then again, it might be just as well to control the gravity from inside, so I can actually manipulate it whenever I want. I don't know. It's unexpected. Okay, but I learned. Save that into my memory, so if it comes up again, I will know not to clamp it. Like so. I need to actually create a I need to do some math. But what I'm trying to figure out is what kind of math. Because currently, just by clamping the values, this math is correct. I knew it. Okay, so what I need is this. Yeah, okay, let's just use a circle here. So this is a planet. Actually, it's too big. Makes it smaller. It's too big a planet. Can't have that. There we go. This is the planet. Using clamp, I have literally restricted the, let's say, max speed. I had a max speed. Let's say it's minus 10. No, 10. And I spit all over my microphone. Good thing I have a shield up and going. Anyhow, we have max 10. That's a max speed. So what I did, I clamped. So let's take a look at the axis here. Now, I'm doing this for my sake more than yours. I'm probably aware that most of you probably get what I'm talking about. Now I'm just trying to get this through my head, that so I can work from it and work on a solution to this problem. So you guys are my rubber duckies, as they say. It's a, if you don't know what this, it's basically programmers or developers in general have like rubber duckies by their desk, and they use them to explain their code to the rubber ducky. And by doing so, they get greater insight into what they're doing, because they have to explain it to someone, or the rubber ducky. Now, I don't have a rubber ducky here. So, yeah. It's something someone took up in another livestream I had. They kind of mentioned that, like, that people watching were almost like rubber duckies. And I was talking to the rubber duckies, except you guys can actually respond. You are rubber alive. Okay, so the maximum value in X direction is 10. So it, okay, let's make it bigger. Here. Would that be right? Hold on. Yeah, it would be right, because when you move, you check X. This is the absolute X. This is the absolute Y. So if 10 is about here. Bad position of the arrow, but you know what I mean. Then, when you move this way, or rather, if you were to float in the air, you wouldn't move like this. That's what we want. We want to move like in circle fashion. Instead, we kinda hit an edge and just go there, because we were going here, and we were going at maximum speed, which is 10. So it means that our velocity reaches a wall, invisible wall, kind of sticks there. And then we hit another invisible wall, and it changes immediately to this way, and so on. So what I need to do, I need to find a way to restrict the velocity in a circular fashion. Yeah, that's what I need to do. So let's see. Restrict velocity to a circle? In a circle? In a circle. In a circle, maybe. Yes! Here we go! Unity. They have all the answers. Because there's so many of them. Yeah, here's the problem I have. That's what I want. Let's see, I have a game object that I would like to keep restricted to the perimeter of a circle. I want to be able to move the object around the edge of the circle. Example 1. Wait, do you want to? Yes. I do not want the player to be able to leave the circle. Yeah, that's what I want too, almost. Except I want it to be a kind of a... I don't know, let's see. Solution to gain, but you simply force out to remain a set distance. That could work. But how do I restrict it? How do I enforce it, basically? I mean, I can get the distance, but even if I get the distance, how can I enforce that you're not allowed to leave more than this length? Note to self, in future I should probably do game jams with things I have done before. That's the risk. Then again, I fully expected that I may not even get anything ready. And that's something I really can accept. I'm not gonna clamp though, I'm just I'm commenting so I can clearly see it kinda what I'm thinking here. We have a drag, right? Now we don't have a drag because I turned off the... God damn it! I gotta undo. I need a planet with a area 2D, don't I? Okay, well, here we go. Let's do it again. Gravitational gravity area. Let's add a collision shape 2D. Trigger. Okay, so there was nothing wrong with this then. I hope. Can you get the... There. That should be enough. So I want the point, I want it to be a trigger, but I want the area to replace... No wait, do I? Maybe that's what's wrong here. I wanted to combine. I wanted to... Maybe. Put the point on. The position of that will be in the center, which is right there. Yeah, center right there. We have damp, angular damp. I'm gonna keep it as default for now. I'm gonna increase gravity by 10. 10? Yeah, 10. Let's take a look here. I'm gonna replace them for now so I know it works. I can go back to the player. I can remove everything that had with gravity. Remove all the gravity. Gravity, gravity, gravity. Away with you. Take that away. What else? What else? What else? Okay, good. Now I let's see. Did I fall down? I think I did. Let's take a look here. I'm upside down and I did fall down. Let's try here. Gravity seems to be working. Seems to be working fine actually. And it seems to be smooth. Except I'm sliding because my friction seems to be low. Something, I don't know. Is it the planet? Is the planet no, that's weird. Why do I do that? I'm sliding. Why do I do that? I'm sliding a lot actually. Why did I slide a lot? Why? Let's see. Yeah, let's increase linear damp. That didn't do anything. Nothing significant at least. Trigger? Yeah, it's triggered. Collision. It is as it should be. Excuse me. Friction is up to maximum. It cannot be any more friction than this. Player also has a friction to... let's put it to 1. Why do you slide? Why? Why? What is this? A skating range? It's sugar, yeah. Damp override, let's see. 1. That doesn't do anything. What if I set initial velocity to like 1000? What happens? Okay, I'm moving, but it should stop because this is just 8. It shouldn't be a constant. Yeah, now it moves. Gotta reach the top. Wait, what? Is it a constant? Might be a constant actually. Okay, let's enable this again. Too much. It's slow. Very slow. But let's take a look at the direction now and see if it doesn't kinda, you know. The right seems to be correct now all the time. But that's the direction, that's the force, that's the velocity itself I'm adding. But you can see they're very tight, which means the velocity itself is very low. Okay, it seems to be working fine. So let's increase the velocity slightly. Velocity, speed, let's try 50. I guess that, I mean twice as fast. So you see now the distance between the Godot's are bigger. Let's make it up. Let's try 100 again. Okay, that's a little bit, but it's very floaty. Very floaty. Let's remove jumping for now. There. Jump is disabled. Let's continue. Let's keep increasing the speed until we find something more playable. But there's still the issue about the gravity not adding together with it, I think. Let's try 250. And I'm sliding. I'm sliding. Why? I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. Get away. Planet. Hopefully no one watched that, saw that. Okay, let's continue. So the movement direction is perfect. It's perfect. It's exactly right. It's exactly where it should be. So if I jump, let's implement jump. Now the speed is acceptable, I think. So if I move the camera up a little bit, so we see more of the ground. Why is there okay? Why is there a little thing in the middle? What's that do? What is this? What is that block? What is that? Drag center. Okay, well, let's try this. Let's see if that works. So, okay, that's too much. A bit too much here. How about there? How about now? Yeah. So what I need to do, I need to fix the gravity probably here. Because the music stuff, let's find the music here. Playlists. All releases, yeah, why not? Let's play some random music here. Let's Sort them and shuffle them. Or the shuffle and repeat. Okay, let's move it up here. Let's see. Okay, I can't see anything now. Zoom out. 3. Okay, so I need to fix gravity. I need to make sure when I move right and left that it doesn't completely stop gravity. So, what is my velocity? Or my gravitational pull? Can I get that somehow? Like, get gravity? No, that's scale. Actually, maybe that works. I don't know. Probably not, but that's my own. I don't want that. Get parent. Get gravity. No, that. God damn it, my nose is itching. Area 2D.
Did you think it was?
This is a float. Gravity vector. Maybe that. No, that would be 0, 0. Wouldn't it? Let me try it. Get gravity vector. Just want to print it out to see what it actually returns. Oh, get node. Planet. Static body 2D. Planet slash gravity area. Okay, now it should hopefully work. Yeah, it's always gonna be 0, 0, so that's what I expected. So what exactly am I looking for? I'm looking for the velocity. Affect it on me, so I should have something I can use. Which body? Applied force? I'm not applying force, at least not directly like that. So let's see what that returns. Print. Get applied force and see what it prints out here. 0, 0, yeah, because there's no applied force. Guess get line of velocity would be it. Would it? Okay. Because it only happens when I move. Let's see. Let's see what I get by default. Okay, it's a line force and then it should stop somewhere. Yeah, stop there. Okay, don't think. Let's see here. I think I have an example I can use. Yeah, it should work fine. Yeah, okay. So I can force the speed. This is the amount we want to move by each tick. That's the amount of movement we want to move each tick. So we want to get the line of velocity, regardless of where it is. And this is what I've done, but we run into problems doing it that way. Was it because I was clamping? I wonder. Nah, it's just way too much. What happens now? Is it too low now? Yeah, it's way too low. Oh my god. So I need to adjust the speed value accordingly, maybe. How about 5? What's that do? Too low. How about 50? Because it seems to be such a drastic change. Yeah, it's like there's no room for any mistake or any. I have to find that key number. Yeah, I'm stuck here. Let's see. Another problem is it keeps getting bigger and bigger. You see the distance between there? Because it keeps accumulating too much. So I need to set a top speed. So that's what I'm gonna do at in between setting the force. And that's what I did, but I can't use clamp here, and that is the problem. I need a replacement for clamp, so it will take in account for circular shape and not a square, because now we're just checking like absolute width, absolute height, which is why it gives the illusion that we are hitting like a corner when we reach a certain speed, because you kind of go there and then decide to change direction. So that is the task at hand. Find a solution. Actually, can I do that? That'd be cool. Hold on. And if, in case you're wondering what's talking about, I just realized I can add notes on the screen. Maybe I can add like a what I'm doing now note, so when you join the channel, you will know immediately what I'm working on. Let's see here. Let's see here. This is some distraction. You just need a little break, mental break. To do. That works. Let's see here. Text. To do. The font. Use that one. Use a color. Let's see what happens here. Nothing, because it's empty. Find a way to... What are we doing? Find a way to restrict maximum velocity that takes in account of circle. Sinus, hold on, sinus, cosinus. Okay, let's see if I can get this to work somehow. Ooh, cool. This, do text. Doing. Color. Bright yellow. Size 48. Okay. Oh jeez, get back where you were. I don't know, it's probably completely useless, this thing I'm doing right now. Ah, screw it. Screw it. I'll work on that at another time. Yeah, no, well... basically I need to calculate the maximum and minimum value is what's gonna change. Basically, the maximum allowed value that changes according to the rotation. So I have. Hold on. Might be onto something again. Once again, I might be on something here. Rotation. Okay, so let's see. What's the default max and minimum? Well, let's say the top speed by default is 200. This is the default. Well, maybe that's too much. I don't know. Let's see. Max value. Yeah. But this value changes. So if this was in a vector 2, well, let's say 200. Well, this is the maximum and speed. And of course, the negative of this would be the minimum top speed. But this would change according to a radian. No, radian? Radius. Okay, I think I got it. I just remembered some math. I just remembered some math. This page was very useful. This one. I'm gonna keep this here inside here. Let's see here. Give me a second here. Things are going horrible and good. I don't know. It's kind of both. It's more like I'm spending 2 hours, 1 hour on one task. It's like this is so one problem. I'm spending forever. So there's lots of math involved. I mean that's not the problem itself. The problem is I don't have time. So maybe doing this was a bad idea to create an entire new planetary system that allows me to create a platform on this platformer on it. So that in itself is a big task. So let's see here. By default, when the angle is directly up, which is in our case x0, y minus 1. Minus 1? No, 1 actually, because it goes up. Wait, what? Minus 1, because it's opposite. This is what confused me here. This is wrong. Go away. And you too. Where were I? Yes. Because let's draw something here in the corner. This is the y-axis in positive direction. This is the x in the positive direction. So by default, the angle is, well, 0. This is 0 degrees. And if that's the case, the max and minimum value would be, let's say, 10. So the vector 2 would be 10, 10 on both x and y. I mean, in both x directions. Well, and y too, I guess. But only the x one would matter here. So this would kind of be 0. And if that's the case, should I write 0 here, maybe? I don't know. It may or may not matter. I don't know. So if I now rotate, let's say I go to 45 degrees to right again. Actually, 90 degrees, just to make it easier to calculate here. So now I'm going 90 degrees, which is pi. No, wait. Half a pi, excuse me. Oh, I did something wrong before. I was thinking pi divided by 2 is 45 degrees, and that's wrong. It's actually supposed to be 4. It's supposed to be 4, that would be 45. Anyway, that's in the past. I'm glad no one said anything. Yes, but this is the most important. I can't continue without this. I agree with you in principle. But the entire project depends on what I'm doing right now. This must be done. So there are different ways of prioritizing tasks. There are musts, this, you know, the most important task. That's what I'm focusing on now. I have done tasks that are not important, like the planet graphics. That's not important at all compared to what this I'm doing. Compared to what I'm doing right now. So right now I need this. So if this is the case, I move that to degrees to right. The maximum and minimum velocity would go from 0 to 10 on vector 2. So this is now, let's say this is 0. Because this is what we care. Horizontal relative to where we're standing. That's the speed we're controlling right now. So how do we get this? Well, can we get rotation? Can we use rotation on this? Or something like that. Let's see. Wow, almost 3 hours already. Time flies when you're working. Let's see. Okay, top speed. That's top speed. But this is gonna change. It's not a constant yet. This is not relevant yet, or it will be once I figure out the top speed that I want to change. So let's first print top speed. What is my top speed? Well, it's that. String. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's correct. And that's never gonna change. It's always gonna be that. Top speed is always gonna be that. Actually, I'm gonna add this again. Because this is what I have to change according to the angle. So let's now apply an angle. So print top speed speed after angling. Angle, yeah. Top speed dot rotated angle. Let's see what we get now. I forgot a parenthesis, didn't I? Yeah. One more there. Let's read. What? Oh, I see. Because yeah, okay. X, I guess. Actually, it might work for both the. Yeah, it might actually work for both of them. I can set an individual max. Oh wait, that's wrong. I can set an individual max Y and X. So that should be work perfectly. So if I only wanted to follow that max 100, that should work too. But I'm gonna stick with this for now until I know this works. Okay, let's see. After angle, it's almost correct. Can I move? Can I get the one to be? Yes, I think it works. Yeah. So the maximum speed now on the X axis is almost 200, more or less. So the max and minimum is now 200. So if I get moving, the maximum speed is going to change at some point. Now the reason I'm not falling down because I don't know, gravity or something. So now the maximum after angle, but it's negative now. How will I handle that? Should I make it an absolute? I guess I can make it an absolute. Actually, it should be fine, because I'm checking negative and negative, so it'll positive between the positive value and negative value. Would that work? Maybe. I'm not able to move that. It's because of the clamp. It might be because of this. I need to configure something. Yes, it's because of that clamping. But now the wax values are accurate, because now, yeah, okay. So I need to get the absolute of those and set it that way, so I'll have full control of that. So let's enable this again. Let's make sure we have the absolute of this on the first one. So this will always be positive, regardless of what the hell this is. So I'll do the same for this. So it will be a negative value. It will always be a negative value because this one is absolute, and that's what we want. And the same with this one. So it's always a positive value. So this is always less than this. So hopefully that should fix it. Or maybe not. Yeah, what the hell is going on? What's going on? I don't know what's going on anymore. Gravity is not it doesn't care. Yeah, I messed something up. I'm clamping this, right? Yeah, it's probably messing up because of this. It's not. It doesn't have the intended effect. So let me think again. Yeah. Oh, now it's wrong again. Okay, now it's wrong again. Now it's kind of step by step. Why? I'm not clamping. Wait! Oh, I'm printing the wrong values. Okay, let's just remove this. Yeah, I'm shooting that direction. Okay. Let's see what that is. Let's see. Let's increase that by speed. Okay, it is right. It is absolutely correct. This is correct. The direction is correct. The math is correct. And it should be the same for the right one, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's absolutely correct. There's no doubt that it's correct. Right, yeah. So what is messing things up here? I don't understand. I'm gonna do that for now. Yeah, I'm not doing anything with this, am I? Yeah, I did not change this one. Okay, good. So, getting my curve velocity screws everything up. Absolutely everything up. It just... Let's see what happens here. Oh, I forgot I need the that one, so I can actually see what's going on here. Shooting. Yeah, now you see all directions. See yeah, why does it do that? Gravity is downwards. Maybe it is right, but I'm just thinking about it wrong. Oh, no, it shouldn't be. Oh, I could create a game mechanic out of this. Game mechanic out of this. God damn it. Yeah, I'm just trying right now. Everything you're seeing I just debugged. The degree is debugged, the Godot icon debugging. I'm just trying to look to visually look which direction I'm being pressed when I press right, left or right. But what I'm doing right now, I can create it into a game mechanic. Not in this game, but you know, in a game in general, like it could be a mechanic. Basically, I'm visualizing the final trajectory. So right now, when I press left or right, this is the way I'm going. That's where I'm going. So, even when I take account of gravity that I'm getting, it's already set on me. So this might be too much. Let's try 10. But then again, now it's too slow. I can't move at all. I might not get anywhere with this, actually. I might not get anywhere with this. Yeah, that's the thing. I need to get it through, let's see, let me think. Okay, almost 3 hours. I'm gonna take another break in 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Every 3 hours, that's good. Good thing. I need to think about this. Let's see, I have another project here. In this project I'm integrating the forces. I'm setting a final force. Or rather I'm getting a new one. By default we're not applying any forces. We then ask the player, we check for the players pressing buttons. The players pressing buttons, we would tell the direction of force that we were left or right or up or wherever we want to go. And then we go back here again, and then if we have pressed something here, our directional force will have been updated in between here. And in which case we would use that direction force together with the acceleration so we get up to that speed. Actually, it's not the direction of force, this is wrong. Well, it should be, but I should do it. This is just a direction. A vector, I guess. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Then I set the force, then I make sure it doesn't exceed the forces. And then I set the force to be that force. So maybe I should integrate forces, that would be easier then. Let's take a look here. Something could be multiplying float by integer. I remember a procedure parameter I was writing and I had a mesh generation problem. Cause of that floating point was caused to integer. The song that's on is this song. Nah, I can send a link actually. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta check the floats. Yeah, that could actually be something. You could be onto something here. Let's see. I'll take that away here. Yeah, you could be onto something here because I'm using integers. Let's do this. So now this is definitely a float because I'm adding a thingy here. Hopefully. Yeah, you might be right because I remember printing here. Yeah, still very kind of sudden, like okay. So maybe you're right. Let's see here. The music stopped. Let's continue. There we go. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, P13. Yeah, that's completely wrong. To make sure to make them turn them into floats. So line of velocity, I assume, will be a float when you set this as a float. So direction of force. Let's add 0.0 on all of this. 0.0. That will make sure everything is float. Yeah, it's still weird. It may be a little better, but I don't know. It's really hard to tell because it's so sudden. You know, because it should be smooth. Regardless of my height, it should still be a smooth transition. Why the Godot stuck there? Oh, okay, because my velocity is very slow. There. Okay, let's see here. Okay, but that's a good tip anyway, because I might oversee that sometime. So let me remove that. Let me start by working on a integrate forces state. Okay, so let's get a new final velocity. Okay. Don't need comments there. At least not yet. If it works, I'm gonna comment everything. So I need this, I need angle. That's the first thing I need. Even when I'm in integrated forces, get the current angle for gravity. Plus pi to get the correct one. Yeah, that's correct. Debug, to text, set rotation. To rotate the sprite. What else? Yeah, I don't need that anymore. I learned that lines are same. I mean, the coordinate system are relative to myself. I mean, that's all I mean. What else? Done that. So if I move left or move right. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna do the in-between math here. Create, set to oh, I didn't set it to 0. I just set it to 0. The directional force. Directional force, which I'm going to set, which is set here in this case. That should be outside. So on the beginning, on each cycle, it will be set to 0. Actually, I think all vectors too are floats. I don't think you can save integers there. I could be wrong. Yeah, vector 2 are float no matter what you do. Even if we only have ones. Which is good, because I don't have to write 0.00, because that's it looks horrible. It doesn't look good. Let's see. 0, get input. So in between here, I want to get input. Input. I can use input. Let's try it. I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. I don't know. It feels wrong, but let's try it out and see if that will work. If you're using the same method, order of things. Selection pressed. Crouching left, left. That's what I mean. So if I'm moving left, I just want to move left. I just want to send direction. That's what I've been doing all along. So let me get that over here. This is left. It looks weird. There we go. So if I'm moving right, pressing right, well, I want to do right. So let's get that. Let's see here. Positive. Why? So I don't need that anymore. Then we add directional force toward this direction, which is correct. We have tested. We know it's correct. That's all we have at the moment. I'm gonna forget jumping until this works. Jumping does not exist until this works. Okay, I need to do this before actually. Let's do it here on top. Unless I need directional force. No, I don't need it. That'd be good. Get up to gravity. Let's take a look here. That's this one. Yes, it's the same thing. That's what I've done. It's the same thing. Hold on, I need to use a state, I forget. State.set. And I need to make sure to turn on custom integration. state. How did we get that? Let's see. Yeah, I think that should do it. I'll disable fixed process here before I do anything else. And I'll disable input here. Yeah. Let's see. Where's ready here? Ready. Yeah. Fixed process off. Input off. It's a mess. I don't recall having to enable that. Wait, yeah, I'm using original, right? Yeah. Let's turn off that one again. Yeah, okay. Left, moving left, moving left. It's accelerating until I reach a certain speed and then it takes off. So now I still need to clamp the rotations. Yeah. Get rid of this. I'm gonna clean all the code now. Angle, direction of force. Yeah, I need that. Directions pressed. The angle is for this one. Get out of the station. Velocities, is that even a word? If I'm talking, it's because I'm thinking right now. The problem is I need to be able to restrict it. Okay. Let's say 200. 200 extraction, okay. I think I'll do it because I can get this rotated, so like even max speed rotated and then angle, and that returns the correct top values. However, it behaves differently. Jump time, go away. Let's see here.
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red.
Where am I printing? I'm gonna get rid of fixed process as well, I think. Just making sure I don't need anything. Yeah, I don't need anything. Maybe the test part, this one. There we go. This is just for testing. It's a debug command basically here. I guess I'll use debug here. So, if global debug is true, I want to shoot a test thing. A thing. So, Does Godot support shaders? Yes, it does. It has its own shader language based on GLGP, four-letter word. I don't remember G something. DSL, I don't know, but it does have a shader language. I've been using it a bit myself. Max speed. Max speed. Okay, max speed. That's what it is. Okay. So maximum speed horizontally now is about 200, and vertically? Yeah, vertical is about 0 now. That's correct. This is the max speed. No, it's not correct actually, because we're not. Ah, okay, hold on. We're not using having a 0 and max velocity. Why it will be wrong as well. Let's see here. How will I handle that? That's the problem. Because you can't have a max speed in the y-axis even now as -7, because then I can't jump. And -10, what does that even mean now? Now I can't move left. DLSL, yeah, that's the one. That sounds right. That reads right. I remember if I can't confirm that, but that looks right. So I cannot set max speed to be in both. So what I need to do is I need to make a... Let me turn off friction again. On the players, I know where this is this time. There we go. Okay, friction is off. Let's see here. Top velocity. Yeah, top velocity can never be like close to, you know, that low. So maybe I can, oh, hold on. Like now, the max velocity should be in each. Why am I floating? Why am I floating? The collision box a bit weird now. Kinda hovering above the ground here. Okay, here's correct. It might just be a collision box. Okay, anyway. So should I only look at the biggest value? Maybe. Would that be correct? I can. There we go. So now, the biggest how? Absolute biggest value. So the top value is about 130 or so. Here. Or it really combines some of those values, perhaps. Is what I'm looking for. Restricting top speed around a circle. Let's see. Let's look at math. Angular velocity. I guess that's what this is really. The problem is, how can I control the angular velocity? The velocity equals the r radian. Radius, yeah. Work. Velocity squared divided by radian. That's acceleration. Hold on. X. Okay. This is correct. That's the correct value so the result should be 200x now, but there shouldn't be any restriction in the y. How do I do this? What if I do it in both directions? What if I restrict both directions? So you can jump or you can't go. Now it should be equal, or, you know, opposites. Yeah, it moves like this. 100 is right here. I have no idea. That's what I gotta figure out. Cancel velocity. I was thinking I might be able to restrict just the distance from the center, but it wouldn't solve the problem. It wouldn't. Because you could still go faster and faster and faster, it just wouldn't leave orbit, that's the only thing it would do. So right now I need to do some math, I need to study a little bit. Or I could just scrap the planet thing and just create a game without it, but then it would just be, well, similar to another game I made, and you know, that wouldn't be fun. Complete, yeah, circle is 2 pi times radius. Complete distance around the circle. The circumference is 2 pi. String. Yeah, but we don't have a string. That's the thing. Should I create a string then? That wouldn't. Well, maybe I should do that. No, it wouldn't. It wouldn't be right. It wouldn't work. Because the planet is uneven. So I gotta think about this. Is definitely something to work on here. I think I'm gonna do some physics work. Wait, what? Oh, that's work. Okay, never mind. No, this is not work. That's angular, isn't it? What's a symbol for that? It looks like angular velocity. So the angular velocity is velocity divided by radius. Angular velocity. Even knowing that, how can I use it? Yeah, radian per second. No, wait, what? Velocity. That's what I'm for. Well, that's what I'm doing right now, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay. That is manhood and direction. Let's see. I'm just looking through things, see if I can figure out what to do next. Yeah, I understand that. The problem is restricting it to calculate how far it can go to set a maximum value. How will I do that? Let's see. This may or may not be the correct way to go on it. Let's see here. Let's ignore that y is a thing. Now I'm negative, so but how would I transition from that? That's my problem right now. Okay, my x velocity can never exceed 200 here, and here it can never exceed 140 something. Here it can never exceed 0, and because we're now moving in the y-plane, basically more y-plane, which means the top y velocity now is 200 in both, or negative that in both sides. So it should be able to go from negative, from what it is now, or rather what it's displaying right now, to positive 200 right here on this surface. However, as you change, the maximum value changes with it. So now in the x velocity, the maximum speed is 140 or 150, 160 and so on here. So what prevented me from... Let's take a look at it. Let's see how far I have to go before I start taking off here. Actually, I need to print the velocity I'm using right now. Here we go. Yeah, that's the one I need to print. So this is the max speed. This is the estimated... I apologize for doing the boring stuff. And right now it's very boring because I need to figure out how to... Estimated. I need to figure out how to proceed. Because I am stuck right now with this problem. But that doesn't mean I will stop trying to figure out how to solve it. So velocity. But when I do solve it, I'm going to make sure to share it with the world, so everyone knows how to solve this. Okay, so the velocity is quite huge actually. Let's see. Why is my velocity that big? Hold on. I'm trying to make some sense out of this, what's happening here, but it's going so fast. I'm gonna close. I'm gonna scroll up a bit to just see patterns here. Patterns. It's all about patterns. Symmetry. Okay, that's my actual velocity. That is my expected maximum velocity. Of course, the maximum velocity here is calculated in the negative direction now. These are acceptable speeds, so 16 is acceptable, minus 83 is acceptable. All these are acceptable. Wait, what happened here? Go up. So, estimated. So now we went too fast right here. This is above this, an absolute value of this. Now it can be below it, it can be negative, it can be both positive and negative this value, I think, in next direction. Would that be right? It might be wrong. I have to think about it. How the... The maximum value changes. Now it's 200 up and down. Okay, it might work. Let's try clamping it. Try clamping the value, the final velocity. Velocity before clamp. Yeah, let's try that. And then we need the velocity after clamp. Let's see here. Max... No, not max speed. Final velocity, that's what I'm clamping. Final velocity equals whatever value it is, but we want to clamp it to be what it can be most. So... Wait, did I do it wrong? Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. There we go. Clamp. So, that's the value we're clamping. How little? Well, if this is now, let's say, negative, it means that we'll go from both positive and negative with that value. But that's the thing, that's the thing that might be wrong. I mean, it sounds right when you think about it. I mean, at least when I think about it, it seems right. Because yeah, you can't go more or less than that, because you want both sides of the spectrum from 0 to out in both directions. So when you go right or left, depends on negative or positive value. So in theory, using a negative of the absolute value should work. And the reason I'm using the absolute value is so it's negative 70. Well, this is going to be negative 70 always. It's never ever going to be positive 70. But that's just an example. So it should be X. Can I clamp vectors? I wonder. I don't know, maybe. And then the positive absolute, so just absolute. Then max speed here. So this will always be above this. It doesn't matter. It can be 0. Well, in that case it will be equal, and in that case it will be 0. But you know what I mean. But that would be wrong too. We can never have a maximum unless we add jump force after we handle horizontal. In which case we could apply. Yeah, that could work. To do apply jump after clamping. I'm just writing it there so I don't forget it here. I don't think this is gonna work. I think I need to do it manually. Yeah. So let's do X first. Clamping the X value to this and that. Max speed of X. But this, yeah, it should be right. And then do the same for Y. Let's see what's going on there. Yeah. I'm exceeding the maximum speed I can fall, which is almost close to 0 now, which is why I'm moving slowly down now. And okay, let's move to the right a little bit. Let's see. I move left, I move left. I seem to be keeping somewhat of a consistent speed, no? It seems to be consistent, doesn't it? And that's good, that's very good. I just hope this actually... The thing is, I already tried this. Is it solid underneath here? Oh yeah, no, it's just the Y, there's no gravity now. I need to apply the gravity afterwards. But that means... Oh crap. I might have to create my own gravity force inside there and apply it after this clamping here. Let's increase the allotted value here. Okay. In about 7 minutes I'm gonna take a break, and I might take an hour or 2 or so, and I'm gonna eat dinner, I'm gonna think about this, I'm gonna think, eat, relax, watch YouTube. That's my plan, at least. So if you have any questions before I leave, just write them. If you haven't, follow, and you will know when I'm online, because I will always be online. Well, not always. I will be often online, often. Unless I am dead. In which case, watch my previous videos. I have YouTube videos. Oh. Let's see here. What was I doing? I forgot. My train of thought, it just derailed and crashed again. I was gravity. Oh god, you're right. Someone mentioned that the smileys are horrendous, the default Twitter ones, and I agree, they're horrible. Apparently, I think you have to pay to get better smileys. Then I can add my own or something, I don't know. I can't afford it right now, I need a job. I need a job. Let's see. A paying job. This isn't a job, this is fun. It's both fun and tiresome at the same time. But if I solve this, imagine what people can get out of it, and not mention I can reuse this for other projects. I will have a global planetary solution. You want a planet? You want a gravity? Well, here, use this project, or just follow this tutorial, or something. I don't know. I'll definitely write something about this, or just make a tutorial. I don't know. Once I get it working, because this is a valuable project. once I get it to work, and I'm sure someone else already have done that. Actually, let me Google that. Godot engine planet gravity. Gravity planet Godot engine. Here we go. Let's take a look at this YouTube video. I'm pausing the sound. Let's play that. Yes, do it. Let's see. Let's see what you've done here. Move. Okay, very good, very good. Yeah, it sounds actually pretty good. But are you stuck? Are you floating? No, it seems very good. Yeah, it seems very good. But it seems like floating a little bit. I don't know if it's just the collision bus huge, I don't know. Oh, hey, you're on the ground now. Floating a little bit? I don't know. Oh. Let's see. Let's see. Do we have anything? Yeah, no. Yeah, there we go. If you want to work with movement space, you should learn how to get those perpendicular orthogonal vectors. I don't. What does that word even mean in English? Yeah, I know it's math related. I just don't know what it means. It's the relation of two lines at the right. Oh, okay. So is surface normal? That's surface normal, right? Oh wait, two lines. Relation of two lines at the right angles to each other. Is it normal? No? That's normal. I don't know. I think it's normal. I think it's normal. Let's turn on the music again. It's become way too quiet here. Let's see. About 3 more minutes and I will take a few hours break. Then I'll play until tonight and then I'll go to bed, I wake up and repeat the process tomorrow. Hopefully I'll solve this today though. Because just solving this problem, I will be half done. The project will be half done. All I have to do then is build the level, add create my player, set up the enemy players. And that's easy enough. I can just make him home in towards the player. So, I mean, to begin with. And then I'll add more difficulties such as jumping up create if there's is in the way and such. So just the plan thing. That's the biggest challenge. Let's see here. Oh, I'm so happy to see so many Godot videos on YouTube. Because only a year ago there was almost none. Yeah. Close that. Oh, is this running? It is. Did it crash? I think it crashed. Close, please. There we go. We're running too long. Let's see here. Before clamp, 0, 0, basically 0, 0. After clamp, 0, 0. Okay, so that's good. That's good. That's what you want. Estimated limits is 5, so no more than 5 and no more than 200-ish. But okay, let's close this. Sorry, gotta close this. Reopen this. I might be able to solve this while I take my break, because I'm just gonna chill a bit. I can eat, gonna watch videos or something. And everyone needs a break in a while. To work well. Actually, that's you would think that people. This is something I believed before. I actually believe that you will get more done if you don't take breaks. That you get more done if you just work in 12 hours non-stop than if you, let's say, work 6 hours, take 2-hour break. Because that's what I forgot to account. I don't do it anymore because now I realize the importance of breaks and mental relaxation, I guess. That is, if you do take 2 hours break, your brain is more efficient when you begin working again. Meaning it has relaxed and it's ready for action. And the same applies for sleep. You would think that you get more done by less sleep. But no, 8 hours sleep, 7 hours maybe? I think it's like 7.5 hours, 7 hours. That's like the recommended amount of time. But having those 7 hours of sleep will improve your performance. When you wake up, your daily life will be increased. Oh, interesting music. No corporate sounds. I gotta love them. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Oh yeah, I posted the playlist in the description many times. I was putting again in case you're curious about what I'm listening to, because a lot of different music, very interesting. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a break now. It's now 1900 hours for me. 7 p.m. for, you know, people that don't use military time. So I'll see you guys a bit later maybe, or tomorrow, who knows. I mean, you know, I will post on Facebook and YouTube and Twitter and Discord. Did I mention Facebook? Yeah. I'll let people know now and again, so I'm gonna stop now. So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna leave the live stream running for a little while. So take care. Oh shit, sorry. So I'll see you guys later.
We fell out of love like shooting stars, came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
A man who on every occasion has given the best that he has.
I'll be right beside you.
Here one minute, gone the next. There's no heart beating inside your chest. It's vanished into thin air, never to be seen again. 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 Lick my lips as you walked away. There's nothing left except an empty space. Disappear without a trace. Your memory leaves a dead entities. Ooh, you're dead to me. You're dead to me. Ooh, you're dead to me. 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 You're dead Bye.